Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add Google Maps to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just, you're gonna see the search widget here and just paste it. And now when you got it, just write here your location. And voila. So I got the address here, or you can change the styles here. But what I really like is press Ctrl-Shift-L. I will show you. What you want to do is like press Ctrl-Shift-L on Windows or Command-Shift-L on Mac. And when you're gonna do it, choose blocks. And let's find here. Oh, right now it's in maintenance mode. Okay, let me show you. Disable. You can find also the map here, I think, as a contact form. So let me show you. Let's go with contact. Yep, you can see right here that you can also choose from blocks some template on using map. And I don't know, for example, this one here. And if you don't have the pro version, I recommend clicking down below in the description and buying it. And voila, here you got it. And when I would go to navigation, I got the section here, and I can change the style to have it like edit as much as you want, right? And that's pretty much it. And I have like form field here. So this is pretty much it, and this is how we can add map to Elementor. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, and yeah, thank you, see ya, and goodbye.